Hello, I'm Dr. Kara Coglanice, Crete-Monee School District Superintendent, and I'm very pleased to introduce our third annual Safety Symposium. This is an opportunity where we invite district administration and staff from all around the counties to come and learn from our professionals.
The toolkits we're offering intellectually and physically, I'm hoping people take away the concept of think outside the box. But they've got to identify their own strengths and weaknesses, and hopefully this workshop can help them take what we have and mold it into something that'll work for their district.
From last year's symposium, we are in the process of getting a school dog. We've looked into a couple different programs, and the information that we got from your staff here at Crete-Monee, we've really used that to help guide us in our process of getting there.
Moving forward with what I learned from today's Safety Symposium is going to be my ability to communicate with the school. It's going to give us the opportunity to communicate with them in a smoother, cleaner, and more efficient manner.
The most effective steps for districts to strengthen their security posture is having visibility into their current environment. That is identifying any of their infrastructure gaps or technology that needs to be implemented to provide visibility into their network.
We thank you for joining our Safety Symposium this year. Next year, we look forward to introducing a whole round of new topics. Please stay tuned and look forward to seeing you next year.